We love spending time outdoors enjoying the lovely climate and our specially created outdoor or exterior spaces. Keeping these spaces looking up to date and on trend it's not an easy task, but they are perhaps the most important rooms or space in the house. Perhaps with many new trends, colors, materials, and innovation, improving your outdoors space may seem like a daunting task. These special features on all things exterior flooring will inspire you and bring some fresh ideas for a new project. It will also guide you on how to refresh an entire space with a couple of simple additions. It is because it is literally the first thing people see. The exterior and surrounding space all work together to set the tone for the home, personality and style, and keeping these spaces looking fresh start with flooring. There is nothing worse than a sad looking patio, deck or garage area. These are the space where come summer we spend the most time. It's all about creating inviting and beautiful landscapes that require minimal maintenance. Flooring is a part of aesthetic when it's come to a stylish pool area. Spend time looking for unique touches or innovative new material that minimize maintenance. Rooftop deck flooring can transform your average rubber rooftop into a place that's great for hangouts and entertainment. Some great products innovations are now available to assist you. Natural earthy tones have been the most popular colors for exterior spaces, ranging from tones and sandstone to grey and charcoals. They are classic colors because they blend with landscapes and many exterior fits. However, there has been an increase in the use of accent color on shutters, roofs, and trims, and these have now expanded to exterior flooring choices. One way to avoid monotony across the exterior is to combine two colors of pavers, planks, or tiles, or choose multicolored pavers. More manufacturers are now looking to offer options beyond the normal solid colors with multicolored ranges expanding all the time. Take the bold approach and create a focal area that create interest rather than just blending with the surroundings.